back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. Welcome to my Durga Puja series. Today is the 5th day and this is my last video for Durga Puja series. Thank you for watching all my tutorials. It means a lot, and thank you whoever has subscribed to my channel. I love you all. And in today's video I'm going to create this beautiful glittery look. Yes, Sohini jokhon makeup korche glitter korche na eram hote pare na, because I absolutely love glitter. Eto dine tomra jenei gecho and tomra onek jon cheyecho ekta খুব গ্ল্যামারাস একটা লুক, তো আমি নিয়ে এসেছি তোমাদের জন্য এই গ্ল্যামারাস একটা লুক. And yes, you can definitely wear this look for pandal hopping as well, but it's all up to you. If you want, you can go for other 4 wearable looks or this glamorous look. And if you want people to stare, then why not? You can definitely wear this look with your western as well as traditional outfit. It looks bomb, absolutely bomb. And yes, as I mentioned yesterday, I have a surprise for you, so you have to watch this video to get the surprise. So stay tuned. And yes, if you want to see how I create this effortless, glamorous look and what's the surprise, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to start with my skincare, and first I will use this PIXI on the Glow Moisture Stick. I'm going to apply this all over my face and blend it in. This gives a really nice glow. I'm going to also apply this on my lips for a little bit of hydration. For my primer today, I will be using my PAC Zero Pore Separation Cream. I'm going to apply this all over my face, but mainly focusing on my T-zone. For foundation, I will take this Maybelline Superstay Matte Foundation. I'm going to apply this all over my face with the help of my CARA F003 brush. Now I will just blend out my foundation with this sponge. This is by the drugstore company. For my concealer today, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. Using the same sponge to blend out my concealer. Now I am taking this Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. I'm going to set my under eyes and the highlighted area with the CARA F004 brush. For my cream contour today, I'm using the MAYBELLINE Concealer Stick in the number 14. And the brush here I'm using is the same brush which I used for blending my foundation. Now setting my face using the same loose powder. Also I'm going to bake under the eyes and the sides of my nose. I did my brows off camera, and for my eye makeup today I will use the Beauty Glazed Rock Metal palette. First I'm going to apply the Stay Quirky Badass Kajal on my upper lash line, and I'm going to smudge it with my Weishi Pro Smudger brush. Take your time and blend the kajal. Now I will take the shade Putty on the same brush and I will just blend it further. Next I'm taking the shade Camel and Clay on my PAC 204 brush, and I'm going to blend that shade on my crease. I'm just going to dust off all the baking powder I have from my face. I will set my face using the Shy Style Makeup Setting Spray. Tightlining my eyes with the same kajal, I'm also going to apply this on my waterline and my lash line. And with the Morphe Detailed brush, I'm going to smudge it. For my glitter, I'm using the TS Cosmetics Pressed Glitter in the shade Peach Fizz. And first I'm going to apply this over my eyeliner with the help of a synthetic brush. And with TS Cosmetics Pressed Glitters, you don't need any glitter glue. Taking the black shade from the palette, I'm going to intensify the eyeliner. Now applying some mascara. This is the Rimmel Scandalous Mascara. For my blush, I'm taking this shade from the NYX Sweet Cheeks palette. For my highlighter, I'm using my favorite Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. And the brush here I'm using is from Sigma. This is F42. Also, I'm going to highlight my nose, my inner corners and my brow bone with the help of my PAC 115 brush. And for my lipstick, I'm going with the lip liner by Nykaa. This is their Lipstone Lie lip liner in the shade Pillow Fight. For my falsies, I went with Valerie by Kingdom of Lashes. After applying the lashes, I didn't like the eye makeup that much, so I went ahead and applied a little bit more glitter all over my eyelids. I completed my look by wearing the statement earring by Rayu. And guys, this is the finished look. Let me know which one did you like. Full glitter or just a little bit glitter above the liner. Let me know in the comment section below. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yes, there are a lot more videos coming up, but the Durga Puja series ends today. And now coming to the surprise. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So you have seen me using this palette I think twice and I really liked it. Yes, I'm talking about this palette. This is the Rock Metal palette by Beauty Glazed. So I will be giving this palette to one of you. There will be only one winner who can win this brand new palette. Yes, of course. So what you have to do is, the rules are, you have to like this video, subscribe to my channel, go to my Instagram page, follow me there and DM me your best eye makeup you have ever created. And yes, of course, do not send me others' eye makeup pictures. That will be disqualified. And if you don't have an Instagram page, you can definitely mail me your best eye makeup creation. That will be it. I want to give this palette to somebody who can actually use this palette in a good way. So yeah, that is a small token of love from me, and I will announce the winners whenever I get 1.5k likes in this video. So thank you for watching. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye guys.